Painting.
I've never seen anything like this.
The swarm intelligence is off the charts.
They're coordinating an aerial assault.
The elephant doesn't...
Sir, get back! It's not safe.
It's the proboscis, I tell you. Far too long for natural evolution.
Oh, here we go again with the bee tongues.
He's right. This photo proves it.
Look at the size of that thing.
The bees are actually winning.
What I'm seeing. It's terrifying, but also incredible.
This is insane. It's just insane.
And so the bees won't let him go freely.
Run! It's coming!
What is that thing? Don't look back, just run!
Ancient spirits of land and sea, accept our offering. Great beast!
Perimeter established. Move, move, move!
What's that sound?
Bees. Giant bees.
Our defenses are useless. They are too strong.
We found it. Their unique respiratory system, if we can introduce a targeted airborne neuroinhibitor.
What have the bees done?
I have never seen such a thing.
Sir, the perimeter is secure. We're ready to begin observations.
Thank you for watching that epic showdown. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notifications bell so you will be notified as soon as I drop another epic battle like this.